Hello, welcome to Lloyd Land Rover Stockton. My name's Sam. Today we have a very special example of a Range Rover Sport in stock with us. Now, the last one of these that we had in stock did not last long at all with that fantastic engine of the P400. HST specifications are not something that you do see too often. However, lots of nice additional specification on this car. Now, Firenze Red, of course, is the beautiful metallic colour that we've got on this car. We've got the black pack as well, so black lettering, black grille, surround sensors right round the vehicle. But I think most importantly, if you just want to come a little bit closer, cameraman, we do have all these carbon highlights on the vehicle, which just sets it off apart from some other ones. So carbon on the bonnet, the side vents, we've actually got it on the tailgate as well. But looking down here, I mean, how good do them wheels look? We've got gloss black alloy wheels, red brake calipers, which goes with that paintwork as well. The contrasting black roof with all these black bits on the car, black mirror caps, blind spot monitoring on those power folding wing mirrors as well, and keyless entry, which is really nice touch. Privacy glass, again, going with that black theme, but if you follow me round to the back, we've got that split exhaust. Again, more carbon fibre, HST badging, and if we open up the boot, we will see rear view camera on there, and a really good size boot at that. Air suspension that we do get on Range Rover Sport, so we can lower or raise the vehicle using the touch of a button. And I think winning the lottery is getting one of these, in the fact that we do actually have a space saver spare wheel on there. Now, push the button, nice and easy to close the boot. Again, we can use the key for that. But look into the interior of this car. We've got a full ebony leather interior, the option to recline those rear seats as well, which is a nice touch. Meridian audio, really fantastic if you are into your music, and we've got all of our climate controls in the rear for our passengers, as well as heated rear seats. Now, we've got connectivity points in the back to keep everybody connected, but all around this car, it does ooze luxuriousness. We've got electric seats in the front, memory functionality on both sides of the car. And with it being a HST, it's electrically adjustable steering wheel. It will save with the memory, and we've actually got quite a rare option in the fact that we do have this suede cloth steering wheel, which feels really nice to touch and hold. Full digital dashboard, that reads 47,146 miles at the time of recording, and on that steering wheel, it's also heated. We've got paddles at the rear, auto lights and wipers, keyless start stop, of course, with the keyless entry on this car, and then we've got two big screens on this car. We can actually tilt that top one, but up here we've got navigation, media connectivity, the fact that we've got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, really nice in the car. And underneath, all to do with our vehicle settings, whether it be our climate control, our seats, vehicle settings as well. So it's dead easy to use if we just pop that on there, so we can just use these little dials, whether it be our seat controls for our heated seats, or all of our different off-road modes, with, of course, with the car being Range Rover and all-wheel drive. Now, again, we have this really nice kind of aluminium finisher on the vehicle. Air suspension, which I'll just go over again, we can control it here, as well as using this nice little rotary dial to control all of our different driving modes. In between the two front seats, we've got connectivity points, loads of storage. You'd be surprised how deep that actually does go down, as well as even more storage underneath that cup holder. We've got captain's armrests, but looking up above, again, suede cloth. So we've got a full suede cloth headlining, really nice to look at, and then we do have that full sliding panoramic roof, so that does actually open right up as well. So really nice example of what the Range Rover Sport has to offer. And again, I will just highlight that the P400s that we do get in here at Stockton do not last long at all. So it's a HST finished off in Firenze Red, lots of nice extra specification, particularly with the carbon. This car looks stunning, but what I definitely recommend is that you come and have a drive of this car, because it drives beautifully, as good as it looks. My name's Sam. You can call me on 01642 644 444. Thank you.